we got this situation. Let alpha greater than beta greater than 0, okay, such that alpha cube plus beta square equals 4, okay. If the maximum value of the term independent of x in the binomial expansion is 10k, then the k is equal to, okay. So I find this question to be very beautiful, and the like we will approach the question. No, you will understand that why I am calling this to be a very beautiful question, because it connects so many concepts, okay. You will enjoy a lot. So let's approach this question, okay, and look at how we will get things done. So first we are interested in, okay, so we have to find out the term independent of x. So let's approach term independent of x first, okay. So you know that here also x is being involved, and in next part also x is being involved. So you know that both thing will contribute, and we don't know which part will be the required thing. So what we will do, we will go with 10 CR. We are assuming that the term in which C will carry lower subscript as R will contribute to term independent of x. So look at this. So ax power 1 by 9, sorry, it is alpha, beta x power minus 1 by 6 will carry power as R, and this thing will carry power as 10 minus R. Now let's segregate the constant and the variables. So 10 CR alpha power 10 minus R, then beta power R, then x power 10 minus R by 9, and then we have x power minus R by 6. You know that the base of this element and this element is same. So if base is same, power will be added. So we got minus of R by 6, okay. Now what is our required thing? We want term independent of x. This means what? It should be 0, means power of x should be 0. So let's write down that part. So 10 minus R by 9 minus R by 6 equals to 0. So it is 60 minus 6R minus 9R equals to 0. So it is 15R equals to 60. Okay, so R is 4. So the term in which we will have R as 4 will be the term which do not have x, means in that part x power will be 0. So the thing is 10 C4 alpha power 6 and beta power 4, okay. Now we got this thing. Now look at this. Let alpha and beta is greater than 0, such that alpha cube plus beta square is 4 if the maximum value of the term independent of x is this 10k, okay. So we have to find out k. So like look at this. So in this question, if you'll observe, these guys are talking about maximum and minimum thing, okay. So like, do you remember that, like I have always suggested you guys, whenever you wish to talk about the range, which means maximum or minimum, you will always end up opening the chapter named application of derivative, correct. And you will find difficult to solve these kind of questions. So I would recommend you guys, whenever you are dealing with the range, always think about AMGM HM method as your first filter, and if it fails, then you can move on to application of derivative as your next filter. Okay, now try to understand this part, like what we should do, why we can like think that here we should go for AMGM. Because of this person, look at this, your entity are positive. So in as AMGM HM part, things should be positive, and here also it is positive. Okay, now look at this part, here it is sum means AM or HM, and here we have product, so we can think of AM and GM. So let's apply AM GM thing. So AM is always greater than equal to GM. Okay, now look at this, things are product, so product part will be written on this side. Okay, now what I will do, look at this, we want alpha to take power 3. Okay, but here alpha is power 6. So can I like convert alpha power 3 into two parts, alpha power 3 by 2. So if you'll add, still you will have alpha power 3. Okay, and we want beta power 4. So what I will do, I will break alpha power 2 in two parts. So it is beta power 2 by 2 plus beta power 2 by 2. Okay, we have alpha power 3. So if we will multiply this thing twice, we will have alpha power 6. That's why we have divided alpha cube into two parts. And we want beta to take power 4. Here beta is having power 2. So for that I have divided it into two parts. Okay, then it is possible. So AM we have 4 elements, so it is divided by 4, and then we will apply GM. So alpha power 3 by 2, alpha power 3 by 2. Okay, then beta power 2 by 2, beta power 2 by 2. Here we have 4 entity, so we will put power 1 by 4. Okay, now look at this, here if you will observe, it will become alpha power 3 plus beta power 4. So beta power 2. So what is the value of alpha power 3 plus beta power 2? It is 4. So can I write 4 by 4 as 1 greater than equal to alpha power 6 beta power 4 by 16? Correct? Now we have power as 1 by 4. So can I take power 4 on both side? So if we will take power 4 on both side, we will have 1 power 4. Same thing, 1 only. And from this side you will have alpha power 6 into beta power 4. So the maximum value of alpha power 6 and beta power 4 is, we can multiply both side by 16 also. Okay, so the maximum value of alpha power 6 beta power 4 is 16. We want maximum value of coefficient of independent term. So the maximum, for this to be maximum, alpha power 6 and beta power 6 should take the maximum thing. So maximum value of alpha power 6 and beta power 4 is what? 16. Okay, so according to us, the maximum value will be 10 C4 into 16. Correct? But according to them, What is the maximum thing? Maximum thing is 10k, and here 10k doesn't mean 10,000. Okay, it's 10k, that's it. Okay, now you can go for simplification. So if you'll simplify things, 10 factorial, denominator will be having 6 as the maximum element. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 factorial by 6 factorial, and then 4, 3, 2, 16. Okay, so it is 10k. Now you can play fruit ninja. 6 factorial, 6 factorial gone. Then 4 twos are 8, and then 3 time 9. 10 thing gone. So we will be left with k equals 21 into 16. Okay, so 16, 1 time 16, carry 1, 33. Okay, so the value of k we got as 336. I hope you got the approach and you can handle similar situations. So always keep this thing in your mind. Whenever you are going for range, always opt AMGM HM method first as your first filter, and then if it fails, then you can move on to the application of derivative part. I hope the idea is clear.